Samiksha this side. So
This is Pranit Karsala.
Hi there, this is Love Johar.
Myself, Jayant.
So I'm Ashutosh from Pune.
Myself, Padmavati here, working in Muscat, Oman with over 14 years of experience.
and carrying an overall experience of 6.5 years, but I was always very much fascinated about technologies and keen to know how technologies work.
I have worked for a couple of MNC companies like Datacraft, Emphasis, and currently I'm working for Atos. It's a France-based digital company, basically.
I know Love personally from past 4-5 years, but it's a different thing that Love knows me, I think, from couple of months now. I was like, as soon as completed my graduation, I got into a different role where I got to know about cybersecurity.
I do have where I would start actually about love and our journey. Actually, I do have around 17 years experience from last more than 7 years. I'm just working in ISO 27001 information security management.
I know Love Johar since 2009. I was watching his content continuously. His videos was really informative, give in-depth explanation and practical examples.
I came across his videos, and trust me, his videos were so helpful, so that each and everything what he used to explain his videos, I always find it very easy understanding. The same contents are there, like thousands of trainers and coach and mentors are there on the internet, but then the kind of information is provided by Love, that is on a very different level.
Really convinced the way he teaches with respect to the subject. I felt like he has a strong hold on the subject, and the way he delivers also, I was convinced. And of late, I came to know about his ISO 27001 implementation one-to-one training.
I saw one video of ITGC of Love Jor and YouTube, and the way he explained that video really made me keen about exploring more into IT. And
So I will always recommend,
especially for Indians, because you get that personal touch from his communication, from his training videos, the kind of knowledge he provides.
I will highly recommend anyone who's looking forward to enhance his knowledge in the field of information security to join his course and learn real-time knowledge and experience. Thank you.